Hey guys, it's me, the Bucket Guy, and I am going to show you the plugin. I'm going to show you how to use it and install it. It's called Groupmanager. If you're starting a new server, I am totally recommending this plugin. You will need it. This plugin makes groups for you. You can make custom groups if you want. You can add permissions for them. And you will need essentials. Now, these two links will be in the description. Just look for it. And just gonna download Groupmanager. It will bring you to this page. You can download all of them, but you don't need Essentials Group Bridge and Javadoc. I think you need Javadoc, so I'm gonna download them all. I'm gonna open it, and I'm only gonna take these two. And Essentials, you're also gonna need to download that. If you already have this, you're not gonna need to download it. If you only want to see the config, just look for it. Just look for when I do it. So open it, and now you're gonna go to your YouTube, your server. This is Groupmanager. Now, okay, Essentials Groupmanager. I'm gonna drag these and the essentials.your.chat, and now you're gonna load the server up. Just close these two, and it will load everything up. Now you're gonna stop the server, and if you want to see the plug, I'm gonna make a tutorial about essentials, so don't worry if you're looking for essentials. So go to Groupmanager. Oh no, Groupmanager, and go to World, because I only have one world called World. If you have like a world called Zone, just click on it, but I'm gonna click on World, and I'm gonna click on Groups. Normally I use Notepad++, but something happened, so it didn't work, so we need to reinstall it. So I'm using WordPad. It's just the same, not the same like Notepad++, but it's enough for me. So you will see default, builders, moderators, admin, owner. You can make custom groups. And first of all, after you download this plugin, it will not say default, or if you do the prefix, I'm gonna make so when you are added to the default group, it will say guest. Now it will say guest when they talk, if they are in the default group. If they're in the builders group, I'm gonna make so it's builder. So if they are in the builders group, you will see builder, and you can change these. These are the color codes. I'm gonna put a link for the color codes. So I'm gonna make a custom group. So I want them to have the same like builder, but you can add permissions. So I'm just gonna place that. And first notice, this has to be perfectly lined, or there will be an error. And how I'm gonna call this? I'm gonna call this example. No, I need to spell this right. And I'll call this also example, because I can. And wait, this has to be perfectly lined. Yes, now it's perfectly lined. When you're done with the config, you're just gonna save this, and there will be a video about permissions with Essentials and Groupmanager, so don't worry, I'm working on it. So start server, and it will basically load everything up. And now I'm going to show you how to use it in game. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you how to use it in game. Now first of all, when I did the config, you saw I did add the prefix, I did builder. So I did builder, but I didn't do owner. So when I make myself like moderator, it isn't going to show moderator, because I didn't add the prefix moderator. So I'm going to make myself again builder. So the command to make yourself, if you're opt, you're going to do /menu add the person name you want to promote, and you can do the group name. And because the group is called builder, I'm going to call myself builder. So that's the menu del, if I'm right. I'm not right, I think. Okay, that's the basic command of Groupmanager. to promote someone. If you want to add a permission, immediately do /menu add p and then the person name and then the command or permission. I think it's the permission like that bucket dot kill. But it's say player not found because the player person name is not in the game. I'm sorry. So that's how to add a command immediately in game or in the console. You can change the permissions. I'm gonna put the permissions link in the description. When you go to the download link, it will say permissions and commands. So actually, the download link will say download permission and commands. That's a basic command: menu add, menu del, and menu p to add a command. So, example: when someone donates to your server and you didn't add the permissions to that group, you can do /menu add p, the person name, and then the permissions. So that's the easiest way to do that. /menu, I don't know if that's gonna work. Create, or no, wait, menu add. I think menu add. Yes, menu add player group. Yeah, that's the same as yeah. Menu create. I'm just gonna test this if it works. Now then, so that's basically it. If you want a video about permissions, I am gonna make it today or tomorrow, so don't worry. See you guys later.